Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to make a cropped shirt tie at the sides to make it more like this. Really flattering. Here we go. So you're just going to lay out your shirt like this, and then you're going to take a good pair of fabric scissors and just cut up along this side seam. And you can cut up a couple snips worth like that. Now we're going to pull this and tie it into a knot. And you can go once and then again like that. And it just makes this nice little tie, and you can pull it tight. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So again, we'll just cut up on the side of the shirt, going up along that side seam, and we'll cut up once, twice. Now you're going to pull it, and then we're going to tie it into a knot. Once, and then again, and then you can pull it like that. So now your shirt has these nice ties on the side. It's so easy. Now it looks like this. Instead of being wide and baggy, it has these cute little ties at the side, cinches it at your waist, and it's just really cute. Thank you for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.